Before choosing an iPhone unlocking tool, it's crucial to check real user reviews. This helps avoid risks like data loss, high costs, or compatibility issues. We'll compare Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker with the best alternative to help you make a smarter choice. Part 1. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker Overview. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker is a desktop tool that removes screen locks, Apple ID, screen time passcodes, and MDM restrictions from iOS devices. It is commonly used when users forget passwords or need to access a second-hand iPhone that is locked. Part 2. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker Core Features. Part 3. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker Pricing and Security. Pricing: monthly $39.92, lifetime $59.96. Free trial detects but doesn't unlock. Money back 730 days. Device limits vary. Security: 256-bit SSL encryption. Safe, but data may be lost with passcode or Apple ID removal. Part 4. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker How-tos. Download and open Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker. Select Unlock iOS screen and connect your iPhone. Verify device info and click Start Now to download the firmware. Once downloaded, the unlocking process will start automatically and complete shortly. Part 5. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker Merits and Demerits. The good, easy to use, unlocks passcodes, Apple ID, screen time, MDM, fast and effective. Works on many iOS devices. The bad, limited free trial, high cost, data loss possible, results vary. Part 6. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker What could be better? iOS Lock Wiper unlocks iPhone passcodes, Apple ID, screen time, and MDM restrictions. It's a top alternative to Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker, with a simpler process, better success rate, and wider iOS support. How to use the best Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker alternative. iOS Lock Wiper takes screen unlocking as an example. Download and install iOS Lock Wiper. Open the program and select Unlock Screen Passcode mode from the main interface. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Then click Start so the software can detect your device. Check your device details and follow on-screen instructions to enter recovery or DFU mode. Download the firmware, verify, and enter the confirmation code, usually 00000. Click Unlock to remove the passcode. Keep the device connected until it restarts without the passcode. Part 7. Apeaksoft iOS Unlocker vs. iOS Lock Wiper Full Comparison.